My name is Alex Esposito, and I'm a project manager. I have a 2023 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss with the Duramax diesel. The only upgrade I've done is the RAS. Typically, I tow some heavy equipment, usually skid steers. I was looking to upgrade my truck suspension because I was noticing a lot of bounce while driving down the highway and a lot of sag when I was towing something that is totally capable of the truck. I heard about RoadActive Suspension by just some simple research. There was two options. One was the RAS and one was airbags, and I wanted something straight off the shelf, ready to install that benefited me immediately. The ride has changed positively after the install. I'd say definitely less bounce, definitely less sag. With the load today, 8,000 pounds, it didn't even look like it was loaded. When driving unloaded, I would say there is no discernible difference between with or without the kit. It's like it's not even there and it works when it needs to. There is no negative repercussions when it comes to installing the RAS. It remains equally as comfortable as a stock truck. In off-road conditions, the RAS worked well. On the land, we have unfinished parts of the driveway, and with that heavy load, it definitely didn't negatively affect the situation. If I ever met anybody who was on the fence on purchasing RAS or not, I would push them over the fence because it's exactly what you need. Once it's installed, it's done. You will only be benefiting from it.